Welcome everyone, this is Colin and welcome to Soya Investing, aka Sit on Your Arse Investing, long term. And today we're going to talk about the basic tools for value investing, what I use, and hopefully take something from this video. So let's get started. So there's only a couple major ones that I always use. The first one I like to talk about is Yahoo Finance. This is where I'll put my watch list and I separate it in industries. All right. So let's say, for example, I put apparels and I put this on my watch list. And you can also add columns to what you want. So whether it's the market cap, well, actually, this is not, this is a summary. So this is the default setting. I created one of my own. And you can actually see, the company name. You can put the forward PE. But what I like about is this 52-week range. You can actually skim across and see which one is at its low point and focus on those. I like the bottom fish. You may not like to, but for me, I like Canada Goose here. It's at $33.68. It's at its 52-week low. So I'd go into those stocks, right? And then if you want to go, of course, go drill down into more detail. Another thing I really enjoy is not only it shows you the statistics, but also the financials of the company. A little bit quick financials, the revenue, the earnings. So you see the earnings. You also see the free cash flow. The free cash flow. Okay. So that's Yahoo Finance. All right. If you want a more deeper dive, you can also go into macro trends. So it gives you more of a longer history of it. That's a very useful information. And then it also gives you a lot of more metrics. If you, let's say, for example, return on equity. Well, let's see how good the return on equity was. Well, it gives you a quick, like for instance, Facebook, you can see here. So a lot of options. And you can see the past history of the company. Okay, so that's macro trends, Yahoo Finance. Sometimes you want to get more ideas on a stock, so you go to fool.com. A lot of it is clickbait, but once you click on it, you can read more about what they're talking about. So for instance, Warren Buffett is talking about Cyrus, Liberty Science, Cyrus XM. So it gives a lot of good information. You don't have to act upon it, but it's just about getting more information about the company. Also, if you go to the bottom, it always says that if they own the stock or not. So if they don't own the stock, then you just basically think about, okay, they don't really have skin in the game. But if they do, then that's something to think about. Okay, again, it's just more information for you. So there's fool.com. There's also a Canadian version, fool.ca, for all you Canadians out there, just like me. And then also CNBC, of course. It gives you all the financial information, good information. Also, if you want to listen to some of the CEO interviews, it's good to listen what's available, who they talk to, who runs the company. Okay, some of them are pro, so like this one pro, you can't really go into it unless you pay for it. So there's another source, 52-week lows I like to look at, and this is the Wall Street Journal's 52-week low. First it shows the highs of the day, and then it shows the lows of the day. So the lows from here. And then the last source I like to talk about is a stock screener, FinViz. If you're looking for ideas, you hit the screener button, and then you can, there's certain criteria you can create for yourself, and then it basically shows you the list based on your criteria. So that can give you some stock ideas. So that's about it. Let's recap again. Macro trends, Yahoo Finance, fool.com, fool.ca, CNBC, 52-week lows, Wall Street Journal, and FinViz. Yeah, so if you like this video, these are the basic tools. And if you want more of these, please subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see you next video. Thank you for your time. Really, really appreciate it.